Standard RAG is great at finding a single relevant passage, but it struggles to connect facts spread across many documents. HippoRAG, from Ohio State and published at NeurIPS 2024, borrows a trick from the human brain to fix that. In this video, why RAG forgets, how the hippocampus inspired it, the indexing and retrieval flows, how it compares to graph RAG, the numbers, the code, and when to reach for it. Here is the pain. Classic RAG chops your documents into chunks and retrieves the ones that look most similar to the question. That works for simple lookups. But real questions are often multi-hop. The answer lives in 2 or 3 passages that must be linked together. Plain similarity search sees each chunk in isolation, so it misses the connections and gives shallow, incomplete answers. HippoRAG's fix is inspired by how human memory works, the hippocampal indexing theory. Your neocortex stores the actual knowledge, while a small region, the hippocampus, keeps a lightweight index of associations that lets you jump between related memories. HippoRAG mirrors this. The language model plays the neocortex, and a knowledge graph acts as the artificial hippocampus that links everything together. First comes offline indexing, done once. HippoRAG reads every passage and uses an LLM to extract knowledge triples, subject, relation, object. Those triples are assembled into one open knowledge graph, the memory index. An embedding encoder then adds synonym edges so that phrases meaning the same thing are connected. The result is a rich web of concepts, built directly from your own documents. Now the clever part, online retrieval in a single step. The language model pulls the key named entities out of your question. The encoder links those entities to matching nodes in the graph. Then the personalized PageRank algorithm spreads activation outward from those nodes across the web, exactly like memory recall. Passages connected to the most activated nodes rise to the top, and multi-hop links are followed in one pass. Compare that to the usual multi-hop approach. Iterative methods like IRCOT retrieve, reason, retrieve again, and loop several times, which is slow and burns tokens on every round. HippoRAG does the hopping inside the graph in one single retrieval step. Same associative power, none of the back and forth, because personalized PageRank walks the connections for you instead of the language model doing it turn by turn. How does it stack up against other graph approaches? GraphRAG, Raptor, and LightRAG all build heavy structures and often trade away simple question accuracy for sense-making. HippoRAG 2, the 2025 follow-up, uses a dual-node graph of phrases and passages plus LLM triple filtering, so it wins on multi-hop questions without hurting simple ones, and it indexes far more cheaply than the alternatives. The headline numbers are strong. On multi-hop question answering, the original HippoRAG beat state-of-the-art retrievers by up to 20%. Its single-step retrieval matched or beat iterative methods while being 6 to 13 times faster and 10 to 20 times cheaper. HippoRAG 2 pushed multi-hop scores higher still, lifting to wiki recall from about 77 to 90%. Efficiency is the quiet win here. Because retrieval is one graph walk instead of a reasoning loop, online cost and latency stay low. And offline indexing is dramatically leaner. On the MuSeQuay benchmark, HippoRAG 2 used around 9 million tokens to index, versus over 115 million for GraphRAG. You get associative, brain-like memory without a giant preprocessing bill. Where does it shine? Multi-hop question answering, where answers span several documents. Knowledge-heavy assistance that must connect people, dates, and events. Continual knowledge integration, adding new documents into the graph as they arrive, like long-term memory. And any RAG system, where naive similarity search keeps returning related but not connected chunks. In code, the open-source library keeps it simple. You install HippoRAG, create a HippoRAG object with your chosen language and embedding models, and call index on your documents to build the graph once. After that, retrieve answers questions by running personalized PageRank under the hood, and RAG-Q returns a grounded answer. The heavy graph machinery is hidden behind 2 calls. So, when should you reach for it? Use HippoRAG when questions are multi-hop, when knowledge must be linked across documents, or when you need memory that grows over time. Think twice when your queries are simple single-fact lookups, where plain RAG is already cheaper and enough, or when your corpus is tiny, so building and maintaining a knowledge graph is more effort than it is worth. Quick recap. Standard RAG struggles to connect facts across documents. HippoRAG borrows the brain's hippocampal index, and LLM builds a knowledge graph from your passages, and personalized PageRank retrieves across it in a single step. It beats iterative multi-hop retrieval while being far cheaper and faster, and version 2 makes it stronger without hurting simple questions. That is HippoRAG. Give your RAG system a memory that connects the dots, the way your own brain does. If this made HippoRAG click, follow for plain English Gen AI breakdowns, and save this to share with your team.